What's good, YouTube? RP Productions here. Today we're going to install a shift knob that I got down in Southern California. Here's the daily right here. It's a TSX. But yeah, we're going to install it on my Civic. It's been a while since I drove it, so let's do a cold start first, and yeah, we'll get to the shift knob install. So yeah, let me set the camera down real quick. Sorry guys. Letting the car warm up, you know, it's been a while since I drove it. FYI, my neighbors love my car. But yeah, I'll do a quick walk around. Have a K-tune exhaust. If you want to hear what it sounds, go check my previous videos. It's in there. But yeah, I'll do a full review of my car some other time, show you everything. So yeah, here's the shift knob. I got it at Sports Car Motion. Gave me a really good deal on it. Quality feels pretty good. It is CNC machined. If you do want one, you can check out Aerogenics on Instagram. And yeah, they have a lot of good parts on there. So yeah, let's go check it out. So yeah, let's get to the shift knob install. I mean, it's fairly easy. I mean, if you have a OEM one, you just gotta remove a few things. But I mean, I have a Mugen replica one. Yes, it is replica, but that's why I'm replacing it. So I mean, pretty self-explanatory, but people do ask. So yeah, you just twist it off. Let's put the new one in like that. I do have a shifter extender on here. I just like the way it feels. It's like easier to grab while I'm driving. So let's put the new one on. This new one does thread in a lot better too. But yeah, it's the inside. It's nothing really, it's just stock. Yeah, here it is. That feels a lot better. Take this thing for a drive, maybe. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna keep the shifter extender on there or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. See how it feels. It'll be like down here, so we'll see. We'll give it a try at first. And here's a few shots of it. Quality's good, I say. But yeah. I think I'll take it for a drive this weekend. But yeah, whoever wants this one, I mean, it's replica. Just pay for shipping and it's yours. Just message me or DM me. Yeah, I mean, good condition. It's replica and it's a little on the light side. But yeah, if you want it, just let me know. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. Sorry it's very short. I mean, it's just a shift knob install. But yeah, I'll bring more content soon. Just still getting used to the whole vlogging thing. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.